So when girls say yes, they mean yes. But when they say yes, they also mean no.
Mm-hmm.
When they say no, they sometimes mean no, but they sometimes also mean yes.
Yes.
Or it could be a maybe, but maybe
Okay.
is a yes.
Yes.
So maybe also means yes.
Yeah. The guy should understand
Yeah.
what she means when she says yes.
Yes.
What is she thinking when
Right.
she says
Yeah.
yes to this, as opposed to, okay, she's saying no, but she
Yeah.
means yes here.
Like, is it a no or is it a no?
Or is
you
it
know,
like,
like-
a no? That was like a maybe.
That was super
But
maybe.
that was like a maybe, but on the yes side.
yeah.